In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a compounded annual growth rate, or CAGR, in Tableau. This tutorial will guide you through each step with clarity and ease, so even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along without any difficulties. Let's start by opening up the Tableau public app. Once you've done that, proceed to access your worksheet, where we'll begin creating our parameters and fields. The first task at hand is to create a new parameter. To do this, look for the drop-down arrow located on the data pane. Click on it and select Create Parameter. Name this new parameter N-year, set its data type to integer, and input 2 as the current value. This value represents the number of years over which you'll compute the CAGR. Now, with our parameter in place, we need to create a calculated field. Head over to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. Let's name this field CAGR. In this field, you'll type a specific query that calculates the compounded annual growth rate based on the data you're analyzing. Once you've inputted the query, click OK to save your calculated field. Next, move the order date from your data pane to the columns area. Expand this to show the data by quarter so you can visualize the growth over each period. Then drag your sales measure onto the rows. Now it's time to incorporate the CAGR we calculated. Drag the CAGR field to the rows, right-click on it, and select Dual Axis. Take a moment to adjust the visualization to improve clarity. Leave the CAGR as a line chart and transform the sum sales into a bar chart for easier comparison. After setting up your axes, it might be helpful to hide the CAGR legend to reduce clutter on your worksheet, allowing the focus to remain on the data itself. Moving along, click on N years and ensure you've activated the Show Parameter option. Now we'll refine the view further by dragging the legend under the marks fields. Then right-click on the CAGR pill and choose Edit Table Calculation. Click on Specific Dimensions and make sure to unselect Quarter of Order Date. This ensures the CAGR is being calculated across the correct range. Shift your attention to the Sum Sales Marks field and drag sales onto the label to show sales values directly. Then add sales to the tooltip within the CAGR field for additional insights. To complete the visualization, drag the CAGR field to the label to display it on the graph. For a final touch of formatting, right-click on the CAGR values and choose to edit the table calculation again, ensuring your specific dimensions are set correctly. Afterward, right-click on the CAGR and choose to format it as a percentage to give your data a more intuitive look. As a last step, right-click on the sheet and select Duplicate as Crosstab. This newly created crosstab view will offer a table format of your visualized data, rounding off a comprehensive look at your sales growth over time. With that, you've successfully set up a CAGR visualization in Tableau. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.